Hey there, space cadets! Let's delve a little deeper into the formation of our solar system, shall we? So, like I said earlier, it all started with a big cloud of gas and dust. But this wasn't just any old cloud, it was a massive cloud that was spinning around like a top. As the cloud spun, it started to flatten out into a disc shape. Picture a frisbee spinning through the air, but on a much grander scale. This spinning disk was the birthplace of our solar system. Now, as the disk continued to spin, the particles of dust and gas within it started to come together. At first, these particles were tiny, but over time, they started to stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. Eventually, these clumps became planetesimals, small, rocky objects that were about the size of a city. And just like a snowball rolling down a hill, these planetesimals started to gather more and more material as they traveled through the disk. As they grew larger, their gravitational pull increased, and they started to attract other planetesimals. And so, the game of cosmic billiards began. Picture a crowded bumper car arena, but instead of cars, it's planetesimals crashing into each other. Over millions of years, these collisions created larger and larger bodies, protoplanets, if you will. But the game wasn't over yet. These protoplanets continued to collide and merge, forming even bigger bodies. Some of them got so big that their gravity was strong enough to attract gas from the disk, forming the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. And as the solar system settled into its final form, these planets continued to bump and jostle each other around, settling into their orbits around the sun. And that's how we ended up with our beautiful solar system. A result of billions of years of cosmic billiards. Happy ending. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey that brought us here. And who knows, maybe someday we'll discover other planets out there that were formed in their own unique way. Subscribe for cookies.